Welcome to my channel. My name is Darnell. Today I'm going to be working with my interference and pearl paints again. I've been experimenting with them for a couple weeks now, so I've got another one I want to try. So I want to do a swipe with some cell activator and then run my marble through it and then spin it out and see if they show through. Since I'm using black cell activator and my base is black, and you need that to be able to make your paints work, I wasn't sure how well the paints would show up. So I'm excited to try this with you. All right, I'm going to go through my colors and then get my black paint down and we'll get started. So first I have Deco Art Violet, and let's see. The Deco Arts are the interference paints and the Amsterdam's are the pearl paints. So then I have Amsterdam Pearl Violet, Golden's Gold, Deco Art Blue, Amsterdam Pearl Blue, Amsterdam Pearl White, and Amsterdam Pearl Green. So I'm going to get my black base down and we'll get started. Alright, so now I'm going to swipe with this black cell activator on my fairly clean spatula. Alright. It's pretty cool how right now it just looks white and black. There's a little purple showing through, so I can tell that's what that color is going to be. It's incredible how they change colors like that. Alright, so let's do this side this way. I think we're going to start that right here. So there's my marble, and I'm not going to run this through too much. Okay, time to spin. Okay, let me get my other camera and I'll bring you down and show you a close-up of it wet.